Alright, hey guys, welcome to tutorial number, I think 17, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you about random colors, and I'm going to make a random, I'm going to make a panel that when you click it, the color will change to a random color. Alright, let's get started. First thing we need is, we only need one variable, and that's a panel, so panel. And a panel is basically like a component you can put inside your frame to hold other things. So, public random panel is equal to new jpanel, and then we need to set the background color, so panel set background, and then we're going to type in random color. And it's going to give us an error here because we haven't made the random color method. See, cannot find symbol, random method random color. So, but do not worry, we will make it. Now add panel to the frame. Now we need to make an event class, so event equals new event, and then panel add mouse listener. I don't know if I've done mouse listeners with you guys yet, but basically mouse listener keeps track of what you click, your mouse wheel, and basically keeps track of your cursor and mouse actions. So now we're gonna build the random color method. So public color random color. Alright, and then what the heck? I gotta go back to the one I already made. Color random color. Oh, alright. Public color random color. Alright, so it's giving us an error because we haven't made the return statement yet, but we will. So a color in Java is made out of red, green, and blue tints, and there's 256 possibilities. So we need a random. We need to use the math.random function to make the RGB values to make a color. So int r is equal to typecast int, and then math.random times 256. And then do that for G and B. So G, B, G, B. Alright, now go down and press return new color RGB. There we go. Now what this method does is it creates a random color. That's all it does. But it's important because when we spawn spawn our random panel, it's gonna have a random color in it, and when we click on it, it's gonna change. And we can keep clicking and it'll keep changing. So now, whoop. Alright, event public class event implements mouse listener. Alright, now instead of whoops, what did I do? Alright, instead of writing out, there's like 6 or 7 methods we have to implement, so instead of writing them all out, I'm just gonna implement all abstract methods. And you can see it came up with like 1, 2, 3, 5 of them. But we're only going to use the first one called mouse clicked. So delete the words out of these ones. But don't delete the actual method, just delete the body of it. So that way it won't do anything, but it's still there. So when we click it, what do we want to happen? We want the panel to set background, and we want it to be a random color. Just like that. So when we click it, it's going to go to a random color method, it's going to generate a random color, it's going to return it, and it's going to set it to whatever it generated. So that's it, and now the main method. Alright, and 300, 300, and title. Random color panel is what I'm going to call it. So, in review, we've created a random color panel. I mean, not a random, we've created a panel. That panel is a J panel. We set, when that panel spawns onto a drain frame, its background color is going to be a random color. And we've gave that panel a mouse listener. Now our random color method, it creates random RGB values and creates a new color using RGB right here. And then our event class implements mouse listener, and the only one that we're utilizing is the mouse clicked. And we've deleted all of the bodies out of these ones because we're not going to use those. I think the next tutorial I'm going to teach you what these ones do. So, and then when we click, the panel is going to get a random color. So, run it, and here it is. I guess it spawned with a pinkish reddish color. Click it, now it's greenish, bright green, kind of maroonish, brown, dark bluish, kind of blue, purple, gray, cream. See, you keep clicking, and it'll keep generating new colors every time you click. So, it's pretty cool, but I just wanted to teach you, basically what I want to teach you was this random color method, which can be used for a lot of different things, not just kind of dumb stuff like this, but I just had to show you how you could use it. And then you got, also I think this is the first time I ever used a panel, so I just want to show you what a panel is. And basically the panel is the whole thing inside the frame, because we didn't specify the size, so it took up all of the area. So this purple background thing is a panel. You click the panel and it changes color. So, and also I think this is the first time I use the mouse listener. Maybe it's not, but anyways, when you mouse clicked, so you click your mouse, it just sets the background to the random color that was generated in our method right here. And then obviously this, you should know that. And yeah, so have fun with this program. Hope you figured it out and understood it, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.